All right, what's on the YouTubes today? 6 things guys do that turn girls on? Oh, heck yeah. Hey, who are you?
It's time to stop!
What do you mean it's time to stop?
It's time to stop, okay? No more!
Stop what?
Who are your parents? I'm gonna call Child Protective Services. It's time to stop!
What does he mean? Yo, what's up fam? This is your boy Demetrios, and today I'm gonna show you what women want you to wear, what women want your hair to look like, what women want you to say, what women want your biceps to look like. No! I hope you thought that sounded stupid, because it is. But shockingly, recently, this kind of thinking has exploded in the men's fashion and lifestyle niche on YouTube. And I gotta say,
what the fuck?
Here they're claiming to help boys become men, right? To become gentlemen, usually, they claim. But instead of turning boys into men, they're turning boys into just boys. And nobody likes those guys. Nobody. Not even other boys. Now again, like how I fell for the whole men's spandex phase back in the day, so too have I fallen into this as well back when I was a teenager. So I can't really blame people for clicking on these videos. My problem is more with the grown men who are giving out this advice. Bless you, Fuhan. They have videos like, oh, these outfits women find attractive, or this kind of hairstyle women find attractive, and even these workouts women love to see men do. Yeah, really, that. They'll go and they'll say, oh, I know you should work out only for yourself and dress for yourself, but what? Why? Why even mention this then? If we're taking care of ourselves for us, and women automatically find that attractive anyway, then why make a video? Why? There's no reason. So why are we seeing this all over the YouTubes? My guess, well, it's a simple one. And, oh yeah, they get views. Simple as that. They attract insecure, lonely, horny teenagers that will do about anything so that Kylie or Bambi will go and talk to them. And that's the issue I have with this. Now, I know you should take care of yourself. Obviously, that's the whole point of this friggin' channel. And you don't want to turn women off, especially if you're single and, ready to mingle. But if you take care of yourself, not only physically, but most importantly, psychologically, emotionally, spiritually, then women will automatically find that attractive. Just get a nice looking haircut that you like. The moment that you say that you need to know if women like your kind of haircut or not, you've already lost. Because you're choosing a haircut that some women may like. And that is not how an adult thinks. That's not how a man thinks. That's how a boy thinks. An insecure, horny little boy.
Dan, you're hot too!
Oh, that attracts the ladies right there. So you gotta ask yourself 2 questions. Why do I want to attract these women for? And also, what kind of women am I going to attract? Well, if the difference between this girl taking interest in you and not giving you the time of day is your biceps or your hairstyle, forget it, bro. Walk away. She ain't even worth your time. But that doesn't even matter to these guys because they're only DTF. Down and forgive. And that's the problem. These tips are only here to help guys get laid. And call me old-fashioned, but that's not what a man is all about. Certainly not a gentleman.
All women are queens!
I mean, I do understand that I am a religious guy, but even if you're not, being the guy that just wants to shag all the hot women's, that's not a good image.
Hey man, that's not cool.
I mean, the reason that statues in ancient Greece had small Wiener schnitzels but a perfectly chiseled body was because it signified the perfect dude. And that meant the small Wiener schnitzel that the guy wasn't obsessed with sex. He wasn't an animal, and he was in control of his lust, as they put it. I mean, they weren't orthodox back then, you know. And they're right. It's very animalistic, and a man has control of his emotions. Shagging every woman isn't. Sorry, Austin Powers.
Do I make you horny? Randy?
Do I make you horny, baby? Yeah!
And besides that, it creates all these emotional problems, societal problems, and everything in between, and even financial problems if you create an accident. So if you're doing all this stuff that they're saying to do and expecting lasting results, and then you realize all of a sudden that the girl just wants to shag and dash and she leaves you and you're left brokenhearted, well, I just gotta say that is your appearance, your demeanor, and all that kind of stuff factors into the people that you attract. And if you don't see these red flags, then I just gotta say you gotta work on your judgment. You act positive, you're gonna attract positive people in your life. If you act miserable, you're going to attract miserable people. And if you act like a playboy, you're just gonna attract more thoughts.
Be gone, thoughts!
So yeah, that's my Christmas gift to you, this video. Now, I originally was gonna do a video on Christmas outfits for like parties and stuff like this. This one right here was one of them, so there you go. A little sneak preview, you know, turtleneck, green. Keep the green in there somewhere. But this house is so dark and it looks so crappy because I need new gear because half my gear just went to poop. So I did this instead. I'm really sorry, guys, because this was going to be really, really super cool and different. But, you know, of course, nothing ever goes according to plan. But I didn't just want to stop and not do a video that week and leave you hanging. Not on Christmas weekend. If you enjoyed this juicy little rant, please rub that like button until it turns blue, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, hit that bell notification icon so that you'll be notified the next time I drop a new video. And don't forget to share this with your friends, your family, and your boys. Let's spread the word and try to help guys not turn into these, you know, the boys. Well, I'm headed to the gym because your boy's getting pretty big. And don't get me wrong, I like being thick and Demetrios and all, but now I'm getting so thick that I can't even fit in half of my pants. And this is really hard to button up now, so don't want to go wasting money. But before I head off, I want to know in the comments section down below, what do you think about this kind of advice that guys are giving? Do you actually think this is helping guys turn into men like they say? Or is it just making them more immature and insecure? Playing on their insecurities, basically. I want to know what you guys think because, as you know, we are in this together as a family.
No, we're all in this together.
So, with that being said, I hope you all have a
Happiest
Christmas, and I'll see you next week. Happy Christmas. Kala Christogiana. Sound like some Greek jester when I say that. Kala Christogiana. That sounds so beautiful. Kala Christogiana. But what else? Why wouldn't it? Because after all, it's Greek.
If she breathes, she's a fuck!